Jo McFarlane here. I've been running Jo McFarlane Luxury Candles here in Scotland for the past 10 years and teaching you for at least 8 of those. I'm here to show you what you receive in your candle making kit. This is to accompany our live Zoom session, which happens once a month, and you're going to receive your kit in the post and then make in your own kitchen alongside me making in mine. It's a really great session, really good fun. Sometimes we have 20 in the class, sometimes we have 1, and then also you can access other teachings you know, in a couple of months' time, if you think I can't remember, you know, something about the fragrance oil percentages or something, you can hop on and join the other sessions. So let's open the kit and see what you're going to receive. First of all, you're going to receive your little welcome pack. There's a few pages long showing you other things that you're going to need. You know, your heat source, a couple of little things that you're going to need. A little target for getting your wick in the correct place. You're going to receive a bag of wax. Now this is enough to make 2 candles. You are going to receive one candle glass, and the purpose is that you can root around in your cupboards and find another container and recycle that. So that is the whole purpose of that. You're going to receive your candle glass, clear, so that you can watch the candle wax setting, which is really nice. You're also going to receive 2 fragrance oils, 2 of the most popular that I use in my in-person classes that are always a hit with our makers. So you're going to receive 2 of those, so you can make one on the evening and save the other one for another time. 2 wicks, which are the correct size for the size of container that you are going to receive, and we'll chat more about that on the actual live Zoom session. A little jug to pop your fragrance oil in. Also a wick centering tool, so that it keeps your wick in the same place when the hot wax hits it. And 2 little wick stickers, 2 little wickums that keep your wick in the same place. And you're also going to receive your thermometer, which is a really vital tool for your candle making. So if you're interested in making with me at the live Zoom sessions, you know, they're really good for people that can't travel. They are only available in the UK at the moment, and they're a really great opportunity for people that can't travel and want to make in your own kitchen. If you've got kids in bed, or you know, you just can't get out, or it's too far to travel, it's a great session to join in on. So you can learn more about that at jomcfarlane.com, and I look forward to welcoming you in the evening.